Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this YouTube series. Today we are going to see another LeetCode problem, which is add two numbers, which states that you are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order. Each of their nodes contain a single digits. Add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. So what they mean is, suppose we are given two list nodes, suppose 2, 4 and 3. This is the first list node, and 5, 6 and 4. 5, 6 and 4. They want us to add these two list nodes. So what we usually do is we add the two least significant digits. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. 4 plus 6 will be 10. Notice here we would want to store this carry variable somewhere. So let's do that. First let's add these two numbers. 5 plus 2 plus 1 will be 8. Now let's store that carry variable somewhere. Carry, let's initialize it to 0. Now what we would want to do is store this solution or addition, the solution of this addition as a list node, because we want to return it in our problem. So let's create a temp variable first, temp list node. This is temp, and put any value in it, it doesn't matter. So let's create here, it will be list node temp equal to new list node and add the value 0. Sorry. So what we want to do next is, let's point a variable to temp. Let's name it as L3. We do this because we want to traverse the list node from 7 to 0 to 8. So L3 will be used for that. So let's create that. So list node L3 will point to temp. Now what we want to do next is, we want to traverse the two list nodes. So while L1 is not equal to null or L2 is not equal to null, will traverse. We do the OR operator because one list node can be greater than the other list node, and we don't want to stop the execution when one list node reaches the end. So next what we'll do is, we want to store 2 plus y as 7 somewhere. So let's create a sum equal to, let's first declare that sum variable in sum, and sum will be l1 dot val plus l2 dot val, and don't forget to add carry also. Let's declare that int carry equal to 0. And but suppose list node 1 L1 has reached the end, so L1 will be null, but L2 is not null, so it will go inside the while loop. So but we don't want to add null to 0. Suppose here we have another value as 0 and this is null. So we don't want to add 0 with null because that will raise an exception. So we'll check here as if L1 is not equal to null, then add L1.val, else add 0. Same goes for L2. This should be L1. If L2 is not equal to null, then add L2.val, else add 0. Hope you got this. Then we want to calculate the carry, which will be the higher significant digit of the addition like 1 and 4 plus 6 is 10, so we want to store 1 in the carry, which is the highest significant digit. We do that by dividing sum with 10 and we want to now create another list node. Let's name it as new node, new list node, and we want to store the value of least significant digit, like 4 plus 6 is 10, and we want to store the value of 0 in another node. First let's create another node and name it as new node, and so first the value will be 7 here, okay, and after that we want to create the link between these two nodes. So what we'll be doing is we'll do L3 dot next will be new node, so that will create a link. L3 dot next will be new node, so let's do that here. L3 dot next is new node, and we want to traverse L1 and L2 also, so L1 will be L1 dot next and L2 will be L2 dot next. But suppose L1 is null and L2 is not null, still it will go inside this while loop, and we don't want to do null dot next because it will raise an exception. So we'll check this condition here. If L1 is not equal to null, then only do L1 is L1 dot next. Same goes for L2. So now what we want to do is we want to point L3 to this node, so let's do that, and we want to cancel this node. L3 will be pointing to the new node, so as we have this link here, so all we have to do is L3 is L3 dot next, so L3 is L3 dot next. And now suppose a situation like if the carry here is 4, so 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 will be 11. There will be another digit coming here, and we want to show that also in the output, so we would want to check that condition also after coming out of this while loop. If carry is not equal to 0, then we'll copy this, and we forgot to add the value here, which will be sum mod 10, because we want to store the least significant digit, which is 4 plus 6 is 10, so we want to store 0 here, so that's why sum mod 10. Same will copy paste here, and instead of sum mod 10 we'll store carry here, and after this we'll just return what we want to return is this temp dot next. We don't want to return this 0 value, so temp dot next. Now let's run this. Accepted, submit, success. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.